Are you guys ready for some fun? Here we go. What did Daddy do? What did he set up for you guys? Oh, wow. What is it, Chaos? Oh, wow. What is it? Something's off somewhere.
Yeah.
Stop pouncing on it. Girl.
Wiley!
Oh.
Miley! Come on!
No cheating. No cheating, bub. You're supposed to chase and not just stay there. There you go. Miley, get off it. Chaos or cheating. There you go. Chaos. Weirdo. Bud, the flag isn't there.
No.
Better go get it, Chaos. It's not there. Get it, Miley. It's a lovely Saturday morning. And here they come. Here they come. What's up, Chaos? What's up? What's up? What's up? Did you guys go for a walk with Daddy this morning? And did you have breakfast, Miley? Did you eat your breakfast? You're still eating, Chaos? You finally hungry? What's up, Miley? Come on. Come on, Miley. What is it, Miley? What is it? It's a beautiful day. It really is a beautiful Saturday morning. Oh my. What did you go chase? What did you go get? You're just gonna lie there in the dirt. That figures. As soon as I turn on the camera, you guys stop playing. That's typical. Miley. I'm not paying any attention to you. Let's go say hi to Chaos. He's eating breakfast. It's a beautiful morning and there's a plane. I can't see it, but I can hear it. Hi, buddy. Hi, handsome. Hi. You're so handsome. You eat your breakfast. Yeah, you go sit and guard your food and eat your breakfast. No cheating, bud. It's like I'm just going to stand here and stomp on it. You're cheating, buddy. Oh. Coming back over here. Cheating. This one here is cheating on this end. No, there she goes. Get it, Miley. Go, Miley, go. Go, Miley, go. Go, Miley, go.
Good girl, Miley. Get it, Miley.
Get it, Miley. Get it, Miley. That's right, you tell it. There's this one. Get it, Miley. Chaos. No cheating. The barking at it. Chaos, you're cheating. Miley, what's the matter, girl? Did you outrun yourself? You pooped? You pooped? And you're just a cheater. Chaos, you're a cheater. Oh, here she comes now. She's upset. I'm Pouncy Daddy, better hurry.
Miley, Miley.
No cheating. No cheating.
Miley.
Go get it. Go get it, buddy.
Good girl, Miley. He's not stupid.
No, he's not.
Get it, Miley. Come on.
Oh, Miley, are you pooped? Chaos, do we need to go upstairs? Are you worried? Is this, or are you hearing stuff? Come on, let's go. Come on, I'll go with you. Come on, let's go. I don't hear any thunder, but you are acting like there is. So I'm just going to go with the fact that you think you hear something. So we do this routine. It's it's really raining up here. I'll fix the bed for you, buddy, okay? It's really raining and he doesn't do very well. Okay, I'm going to fix this bed so you can get up here, okay? Don't worry, Mr. Chaos, I got you. You're safe up here with Mommy, okay? I know, the rain and the noises from the rain and everything, not your favorite thing. So we'll just camp out up here for a while, okay? Okay.